It's me, adsganda, the owner. You might be wondering why I'm coming out of my shell today. Well, as much as I wanted to hide my identity, I have to do this. What the fuck? On this channel, you'll learn more about YouTube automation and AI tutorial from adsganda, the AI version. To be honest, this channel doesn't stand out from the rest, but I love doing this. Fun fact before I end this video, I love astrology and my North Node is in the 9th house of academics. I'm a life path number 33, the master teacher. Teaching is my passion. I love learning new things. I love sharing knowledge. Hence, this channel is created. I'll be posting more this summer, and if you want to watch the videos that I'll be uploading coming from my experiments and my own experience, hit the subscribe button and hope you like my video.